Hello YouTube, this is a new hack. This is a soldering station. What do you mean by a soldering station? Um, when we are soldering, we have a lot of things to use. That is a solder flux, then a solder wire, then some blade, then this is the soldering stand where you can keep this soldering and it's stuck. Oh, great design. Then when you're using the soldering iron, you can put it in this pipe and then back here so that it doesn't slip. Good design. Then if you want to clamp something up, your PCB or anything, then there's a simple clip here. Then this is an extra clip. This is a basic clip. You can hold your PCB here in this, and if you require a little bit extra, then this is a hack from the hard drive. This is a head of a hard drive, and you can keep your desolder pump also inside, and everything has magnets glued onto them so that it doesn't move while you're using. All hard drive magnets are used, and this is the best part which I like. This is a magnifying lens. I had old CPU fan lying around and found the magnifying glass size just to be rightly fitting this inner circle. So I used M-seal or epoxy and then glued it and glued some magnets to the case here, and then it just goes back when it's not in use. And I have some extra magnets also. This is a Alnico bar magnet. I found this at some school laboratory, and these are quite powerful. I have some extra ring magnets. Then I can put some flux. Yeah, I can put this flux. This is a solder paste by using this magnet, and I can use it. Very convenient to use, and I can carry the station also. I can carry this just like this. Everything is held by magnets. I can just carry it wherever I want. With the soldering iron on, I don't have to worry of it falling off on my body or anywhere else because it's quite tight here. I can carry the soldering iron when it's in the holder too, this way, and the whole body is from metal. I used old laboratory instrument case. It was lying around in the school workshop. You can build your own too, definitely, and do post a link if you have made something like this, similar to this, in the comment section. And if you're planning to build one, then cheers, happy building. Thank you for watching my video.